So guys, for the first method, make sure that your USB is properly plugged in. So just unplug it and then plug it back in and then just push it forward. Make sure that it's properly connected to your computer. See if that works. For the second method, plug your USB into a different USB port. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand universal serial bus controllers and you want to find the USB that you're having a problem with. If you don't know which one it is, then you could just repeat what I'm going to show you for all of them. It's most likely going to be USB root hub, or it might be saying for you generic USB hub. It might be one of those. So what you want to do is when you find your USB, you want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that your drivers are fully up to date for your USB. If you don't know which one is which, repeat that for all of them. The second thing that you want to do is you want to right click on your USB and then click on properties and then click on power management. It's going to be saying allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You want to untick this box, make sure that's unticked and then click on OK. See if that fixes the problem. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on change advanced power settings. And now you want to expand USB settings and you want to expand USB selective suspend setting. You want to set this option to disabled and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer and this should not fix your problem.